Crypto wallets for beginner.
1. Ledger Nano X, best overall. The Ledger Nano X is the second-generation cold wallet from Ledger. It is a physical wallet that is the best crypto cold wallet for a reason. You can manage, exchange, and buy your crypto on the go, as mobile users can use their wallets on their phones. Therefore, if you do not have your laptop around you, you can still trade effectively from your Android and iOS devices. It has included Ledger Live software to check your balance and send and receive currencies. Ledger supports over 1,800 digital coins and tokens, so you are far from limited to Bitcoin. Ledger Live even supports coin staking, in which you can earn rewards based on your balance. A cold wallet is a type of digital wallet that stores cryptocurrency offline. They are different from hot wallets because they do not have internet connectivity. When a user creates a cold wallet, the first thing they should do is download an application to manage their funds. The software will generate a unique key that can access the wallet. This prevents hackers from accessing users' funds because it is stored in the hardware device. Dimension of this crypto cold wallet is 72mm x 18.6mm x 11.75mm, and its weight is around 34 grams. Ledger Nano X are built on brushed stainless steel plastic, and it also contains lithium-ion 100 mAh battery. Its box content: 1 cold wallet, 1 USB-C to USB-A cable, 1 getting started leaflet, 3 recovery sheets, and 1 keychain strap. This crypto wallet allows access to all smart services, DeFi apps, NFTs too. Trezor Model T, best hardware wallet for those on a budget. Trezor Model T is the crypto cold wallet that allows users access to third-party exchanges, like Changelly and CoinSwitch, instantly from the Trezor Internet interface. This encrypted cold wallet offers a touch-screen feature that is easier for new cryptocurrency users to operate than its previous model. Dimension of this one, the best cold wallet, has 64mm x 39mm x 10mm long, and its weight is around 22 grams. Its box content: 1 Trezor Model T cold wallet, 1 USB-C to USB-C cable, 2 extra recovery seed card, Model T magnetic dock, and 1 keychain strap. It is one of the best cold storage wallets that comes with a 1 USB-C to USB-A cable that helps you connect either using a desktop computer or a smartphone if preferred over Bluetooth. 3. Ledger Nano S, editor's pick. The Ledger Nano S is one of the best cold wallets that Ledger introduced. It is one of the first cold wallets compatible with 1,800 plus cryptocurrencies. The Nano S does have enough storage to make wallets for a limited number of cryptocurrencies at a time. The Ledger Nano S unit size is 104mm, 58mm, 5mm, and its weight is 16.2 grams. It is made of brushed stainless steel and plastic material. It has a strong 100 mAh battery. Its box contains items like 1 cold wallet, 1 USB cable, 1 getting started leaflet, 3 recovery sheets, 1 keychain strap. Its USB cable type is Micro B. 4. ELLIPAL Titan Mini Ultimate Air-Gapped Cold Wallet. ELLIPAL Titan Mini Cold Wallet is one of the most portable, easy-to-use, and secure hardware wallets in 2022. With its air-gapped and fully metal seal design, it is created to keep cryptocurrency secure from both online and offline threats. Much like operating a big screen on a smartphone, ELLIPAL users can set up ELLIPAL Titan Mini within 3 minutes. It is used with ELLIPAL mobile app to check balances and send and receive currencies. ELLIPAL Titan Mini support 34 blockchains, 10,000 plus tokens, and NFTs. With ELLIPAL mobile app, users can trade anywhere at any time. Its box content: 1 ELLIPAL Titan Mini Cold Wallet, 1 magnetic adapter, 1 USB-C to USB-A cable, 1 instruction manual, and 2 recovery seeds cards. The USB-C to USB-A cable can only be used to charge the device without transmitting data. 5. SafeBullets 1, best for beginners to advanced traders. The SafePal S1 Cold Wallet was launched 3 years back in 2019. It supports 19 blockchains and 10,000 plus crypto tokens, including non-fungible tokens, NFTs. SafePal is one of the best cold storage wallets, which intends to provide crypto customers with a safe, simple, and easy-to-use crypto management solution. Robust security protocols for transactions. Features: focus on the general functionality of each wallet. You should look for wallets with more tradable assets, live charts, staking and lending capabilities, and cold wallet compatibility scores. Cost: the cost of a cold crypto wallet depends on the type of wallet. You should opt for reasonably priced cold and hot wallets with exchanges that charge less for processing transactions. You can also combine several operational and security elements, including recovery seed, two-factor authentication, 2FA, PIN code, which make it a safer option than most cold wallets out there. DeFi-focused mobile cold wallet that helps you connect easily to a device without requiring an internet connection via an encrypted Bluetooth connection with a 10-meter radius. It offers easy interaction with DeFi, dApp, and NFT. Its body is tamper-free and completely water-resistant, and its lithium-ion battery offers a single battery charge that lasts several weeks. This one of the best cold wallets offers multi-layer cold storage security using its EAL6 Plus secure element, Southeast AS256 encrypted Bluetooth Low Energy BLE, and 5 processors to control its power management. It is a stylish wallet with a clear screen but dodgy keyboard. SafePal remains fully operational at a temperature of -4 degrees to 158 degrees F. The box offers SafePal S1 USB-A to micro USB cable, 3 recovery sheets, cleaning cloth, and 1 quick start guide. You can charge this cold crypto wallet with USB cable. It comes with a highly powerful 400 mAh battery, and this device doesn't provide any connectivity. 6. Keystone Pro, best for security and durability. The Keystone Pro is an entirely air-gapped cryptocurrency cold wallet. It comes with a 4-inch touchscreen open-source firmware and fingerprint sensor. It offers PSBT Bitcoin to provide additional security from malicious attacks. Keystone is a cold wallet that is BIP 3239/44 compliant. You can integrate QR codes to sign transactions. It is one of the best crypto wallets that has reduced the risk of malware interruption and offers clearer and enhanced visibility. Dimension size of Keystone is 112 mm x 65 mm x 18 mm weight, 115 grams. Its body is made of fiberglass, and it is a waterproof solution for storing your recovery phrase. Made entirely of 304 grade stainless steel. It is in-box contents: Keystone Pro, triple A battery holder, rechargeable battery, charging cable. A hot wallet is a digital wallet that stores your cryptocurrency in an online account. You can then use this wallet to make payments or send funds to other users, which means it's always connected to the internet. Whereas Cold Wallet is a hardware device that is not connected to the internet and uses software security measures to protect your cryptocurrency from being stolen. Cold wallets are often recommended for storing large amounts of cryptocurrency because they offer better protection than online wallets.
Like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.